Welcome back to our weekly real estate tips for the city of Virginia Beach. Let's get right to the information. All right, let's get right to the data. Looking at the city of Virginia Beach for the month of February 2026, comparing it to February of 2025 and what happened in between, right? $385,000 is our median sales price. That's numbers down 3.6% versus last February where it was $399,450, and you can see it's a pretty good little drop right there, 3.6 from where it was January just a month ago, comparing those 2 months at each other. So we've got a little bit of a trend line there. Prices going down a little bit, 3.6 from obviously comparing February to February. Let's take a look at the closed sales, 397 closed sales. That number's up a little bit from the 376 that it was last February, 5.6%. Median days on market, 15 days on market is our median number. That's exactly where it was last year at this time. 15 days is still a seller's market in my opinion, right? Holding a price, a 3.6% decrease, that's still a seller's market, right? So we're still in a seller's market based upon the numbers so far. You're still getting full price. That tells us it's still a seller's market as well, right? 99.5% of the list price received, right? So if you're pricing it properly, listening to your realtor with the market analysis, what does that mean? That means there's a really good chance you're going to get full price, and it means as a buyer, you're still in competition. You're still competing. It also means that people could be reducing their price and then getting full price, right? So it's not everything, all right? So there's some variables there. Median sold dollar per square foot, $238 a square foot. New listings on the market, 523. That number was 495 last February, a 5.7% increase in new listings. Active inventory, I love this because that's the 757 area code. So we're right there in the active inventory at 757. That number down 4.2% from the 790 that we had last February. That's not a seller's market indicator right there. That's buyers are having less inventory to look at, but for some reason, inventory's fallen off a little bit. All right. And there's a lot going on in our world right now. I get that, right? I'm in March recording this, and there's a lot going on, right? So the month supply of inventory, 1.9 month supply of inventory, that's still a seller's market in my opinion. I get it. We go back a year ago, it was 2.1. And then all of a sudden, no, we started selling houses again and liquidating our inventory, because month supply of inventory stands for how long would it take to liquidate our current inventory if everything else remained the same. Well, 1.9 months is pretty fast, right? 2 months is fast. 2.5 months is still pretty fast to liquidate all of the inventory in the city of Virginia Beach. That active inventory is 757. How long would it take to liquidate that? And when we get to 3.5, 4.5, 5, that 3.5, 4 is probably more of a normalized market. And all the other numbers that we looked at here, they're also going to be reflective of what's making this number right here, right? So anyway, if you got any questions or comments, please leave them in the remarks section. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Check us out. We're Redefy Flat Fee. We're a full-service real estate company, realtor firm here in Virginia Beach. We also handle Chesapeake and Norfolk, and we're flat fee. So check us out. Make it a great day. Stay safe out there. We'll be back next month looking at the month of March.
Are you tired of paying high commissions when selling your home? With RedefyFlatFee.com, you have the option of paying a flat fee instead. Located in the Hampton Roads area of Virginia, we offer 100% full-service realtor firm services at a fraction of the cost. Save your equity, save your money with RedefyFlatFee.com. Visit our website today to see how much you can save by using a flat fee real estate company. Take control of your home sale and start saving now.